Hello, today I've got new and recently appeared and very interesting earphones. They made by Trinity Audio. It is their new Phantom series model Sabre. It is the most affordable model in this lineup. It's appeared in the retail and the retail price is £125 or about $160. So, and they really worth it because of many reasons. I will tell now you why. So box is almost common for Trinity Audio. Just to show, it's common black cardboard, actually well known, but it's opened from the bottom side. Here inside was everything, but I pulled everything out to speed up this review. Actually, in this box you will have earphones themselves, two other cables, one I've attached, another one is with talk control for smartphones and tablets, and another one is like this one, braided cable, but with memory wire that will allow you to form ear hooks for perfect fit. Also you will have, I will put this here, this case, angled adapter common for Trinity Audio, 6.3mm adapter, short clip, and huge set of tips. 3 pair of single flange silicone tips. I will put them here. One pair is attached to the earphones. Double flange tips made of white silicone, 2 pair of foams, and as a nice, really great addition, 4 pair of spin fit tips. This is recently appeared tips, but they are great. It is great invention in the world of IEMs. So their inner part is made like small spring. Here you can see. So the main part is flexible, and when it fits inside your ear, it can turn a little bit, and so you're achieving better seal, better bass representation, better treble. So it's nice, great tips. And of course you will have 4 pair of tubes, well known from other Trinity models. They store inside the filters. These earphones offers replaceable filters that allows you to tune lower frequencies amount, and there are 5 pairs of them, but all these filters exist in two sizes, short one and longer one. Actually, you can see this is 5mm longer, so depending on the shape of your ear channel, on your feet, and basing on other factors, you can try longer and shorter option and find which one is better to you. So actually there are 4 tubes with filters, and 1 pair of filters is already attached to the earphones. So as you can see, it's absolutely great set of accessories. I didn't see bigger set of accessories never in my life, and it's perfect. The build quality of Sabres are also really nice. They made in this circular shape, pretty nice. They made of metal with nice chrome finish. They look really stylish, but they gather actually fingerprints well. But it doesn't really matter, but so because most part of time they will be in your ears, and it's not a big issue. Actually, they have a nice design. The bore goes with a nice angle, so they fit into ears perfectly. They have ton of different tips, so choose nice tips that will allows you best seal and best sound isolation is not a problem. So sound isolation, comfort wise, they are really nice. Of course they are designed to be worn over ears, but I prefer this style of wearing. Let me show you how easily filters are exchangeable. So Just unscrew it, replace with other one, and screw it back gently but firmly. So it's easy, but actually I think everyone will find one option that will suit most of his styles and genres. So cables use proprietary connector with 2 poles, and the cable socket have this guide that will allow you to connect it only one way to preserve phase and polarity. Actually, as you can see, cable doesn't fit completely. There is small gap, but actually fit is pretty nice, secure, and pretty holds really nicely. I don't think there will be any issues. Cable is nice, it's soft, it almost doesn't have microphonic, especially when it's worn over ear. So it is nice braided cable, looking fancy, pretty solidly built. So I think these earphones will serve you nicely for a long time. There is 4 cable, 4 wires braided, and nice metal connector. I suppose in some future Trinity will offer 2.5mm balanced jack with balanced cables for their earphones. So as you can see, the build is also nicely. There will be other models in the Sabre, in Phantom lineup, so they will also be as nice as these ones. And of course, about the sound. Phantom Sabre used 2 dynamic drivers that are connected with using push-pull schema that is commonly used in big speakers. It isn't often met in earphones, but it really gives a good result. So actually these earphones offer nice balanced sound signature with V-shaped frequency response that is common for human ears. They offer good amounts of lower frequencies, which are pretty fast but really strong, as it's usual for dynamic drivers. But you can tune it using the filters. Red ones are the most bass heavy. With them, these small earphones provide really noticeable amount of bass that will crush your ears. But I prefer the most natural one, this gray. So they offers least quantity of bass, but it's fast, it's dynamic, it's really lively, has good texture. So it's pretty good bass for dynamic inexpensive earphones. Mids are lively, a bit smooth, but it offers nice emotional representation without any fatiguing, without issues, and without any actually problems. Treble is a bit on brighter side, but without extra harshness, without really fatiguing highs. So it's nice, balanced V-shaped signature, as I've said before. They didn't burn in fully, so I just received them yesterday and spent really not so many time with them. So maybe they will change their sound signature a bit, but actually I already like what I hear. Sound stage is really deep with good transitions without any issues, so it's unusual sound signature and good depth. Also they shows good layering. Actually I also like it. Width of soundstage is a bit about average, but it's tip dependent. You have tons of options changing these filters, tips, having different sound signatures. So I think these are the earphones that everyone will find something appropriate for them with what sound do they like. So if you like to tune earphones to search for your desired representation, it is a really great model for you. Trinity again made really worth model. Thank you for attention.